Welcome to Burundi Diaries. Today we are seeing something new. We start our travel from Bujumbura, and many times we already traveled these up hills to Kiteka. You also been with us there, and this is the furthest place, Songa. That's where we have been on this road. But now we are going to continue further, a little bit south, and then we turn east here, and then we are going to go to the city called Ruyigi. This is the biggest city now close to Tanzanian border on this eastern area. This is a very rural area, but around 200,000 people live around this city. But we're not going to stay there long, but we're going to continue. You can maybe see this mountain range. So we have to pass that mountain range, go over it, and somewhere here there are small roads. Is a place called Bihimba. We're going to stop there. And then after doing some work there, we continue to Kinyinya. Also very close to Tanzanian border. This is the southeastern part of Burundi. About 40,000 people live there. And then we're going to return, but we don't return the same way, but we take a shortcut. Now come here, but also have to pass the same mountain range again. And then going to join that road again and then return back the same way, Kiteka, and so on to Bujumbura. So, welcome to join. Let's see how it looks. We are now in the place called Bihembe, and as you saw on the way here, so beautiful place. It's a bit drier, dusty road, 22 kilometers from the main road. Main roads here in Ruyigi area, they were very good. I think one of the best in Burundi. But now this is the dirt road in the rural area, and I think this is the most rural area in Burundi, this eastern part. Now in the background you see Forsten. We are starting to do the elevations and measurements on this property. But yeah, it was a bit dusty. The rainy season is over, now it's a dry season coming, but still beautiful rolling hills, small villages here and there, and we had to come over the mountains from Ruyigi to here Bihembe, and we will soon continue also Kinyinya place. But yes, very nice. As usual, also here we are drawing a lot of local attention, as you will see from the next video. Do they need the cardboard box? Or is it going to somewhere else?
And then the brother is coming from another kingdom, horny.
In the background there's a family, there's a father and two sons. They are threshing the beans. They've been drying them and now they are threshing them to get the beans out. Bye bye.
Bye.
Now we are in the place called Kinyinya. It was just about 30 minutes drive from Bihembe. Doesn't look like a big city, but 40,000 people live in here. This is very close to Tanzanian border. Locals say that with motorcycle just 20 minutes drive there. Beautiful place. Not sure if you can see in the background, but there, that's already Tanzania. And you can see the landscape is changing, a little bit drier, more like a savanna type. In Burundi there's no really like proper savanna, it's more tropical. But further you go to Tanzania side, it gets more savanna, more wildlife as well. Burundi is very densely populated, but there in Tanzania it's more rural area.
Hapa unaenda shuleni hapa pia? Hapana. Nyumba za Nyamu. Aha. Aha.
Haujashinda. Umeshinda tena.
Tena. Pole sana. Nilishinda.
Bye bye. Ziliwe nakasaka tuliku. Sawa sawa.